Hey everybody, welcome back to chickens and such. For my last watering video, I was asked about my feeder. As you can tell, the chickens are liking their water. This little feeder I made, very simple. Made out of 2-inch PVC. If I can get you over here and see this. This little PVC. This is just class 315 2-inch PVC. That I just made. It's about 30 inches long. 2 caps on the end. Some plumber's tape to screw to the side. And it goes up through this little roof to keep it all dry. And little cap. And I made a little funnel. You stick that in there. Now this stick is to push down in there, and that normally it'll fall on its own, but in order to fill it, that's kind of what I do there. Now, this is not a rocket science here. This is kind of not automated. Oh, well, there they are. They're awful nosy right now. But yeah, so all you do is just go ahead and fill that up like so. Extra in there. Put the cap on, and voila. That's all there is. Well, I have to fill that. I've got about 9 hens right now and a pesky rooster over there. I have to fill this once every or twice a week. Anyway, when the babies get out there, if you see my other videos, I've got 20 Buckeyes that will soon be out, running around giving me lots of fresh eggs. I'll need to make another feeder, and when I do that, I will certainly show how to do that. But in the meantime, that's all I got from the chickens out here in the coop. Till next time, guys. What he said, and I believe he just said to like and subscribe. And I'll say, and please comment. And love hearing them. Till next time, guys. Wonder what's next? I'm out.